Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I will show you how to generate random text in just second. For this you need to type is equal to sign rand. Just start and close the function keys and hit enter. You can see Word has created random text for you. Again, if you want to specify number of paragraph, you can also do that by entering number of paragraph first and then entering number of line. Just hit enter. You can see number of paragraph and number of sentences. Also we can create a Latin paragraph. For this we need to type is equal to lorem. Just need to start and close the function keys and hit enter. You can see Latin paragraph. That's it. Super easy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more MS Word tips and tricks.